Birthday boy, you got your cake right here.
Oh, Wiggles got the
Wait, where are you going, Wiggles? Wiggles. He's got the whole cake in his mouth. Look at it.
Oh no, we got a little one coming.
Waffles is trying to get it. Oh, that might not be good.
Waggles is still adjusting to having his new baby sister Waffles, so we're gonna throw him a birthday party.
That's right. So say he's turning 5 years old, right?
5.
So Waggles, you're gonna have a special birthday party. And assistant, what are we gonna make for the birthday party?
Cakes.
Really? What? Show me the 2 cakes that we're gonna make.
All right, the first one is this peanut butter cake, and the next one is this confetti cake.
So a confetti birthday cake
And a peanut butter birthday
and a peanut butter cake. Now, assistant, if they want to see us how to make the peanut butter cake,
they're gonna have to check out our short.
But in this one, we're gonna make the confetti cake, right?
Right.
For a happy birthday,
Waggles.
Waggles. All right. So what's our first step that we're gonna do?
Our first step is to add all the dry ingredients, which is just the regular cake mix, of course.
So here's the cake mix right here, and these cake mixes are made for dogs, right? So let me see the birthday cake mix for everybody. So
It
this
actually smells pretty good.
So it says cake mix for dogs, and so it's Pupfetti sprinkles. So these are made for dogs to eat, right?
It's perfectly okay for them to have.
All right, so let's go ahead.
Add that in.
Ooh, okay. So you add the cake mix. Now what do you add?
We're gonna add in the egg.
So you gotta add in an egg, right?
Right.
All right. Oh, they smell everything, and they're super excited for it.
There's the egg.
There's the egg. Okay.
We're gonna add that in to the cake.
Oh yes. Okay. Now what do you add?
We're gonna add in water. This is 1/4 cup.
1/4 cup water. Good job. Now what do we add?
1/4 cup of vegetable oil.
1/4 cup vegetable oil.
And now we mix.
Mixing it up.
Mixing.
So which cake do you think they're gonna like better? The
peanut butter.
You think they're gonna like?
For sure.
So what do you think at home, people? Do you think they're gonna like the confetti cake or the peanut butter cake?
I don't know. It depends if this confetti cake ends up tasting like bacon.
Oh, that's right. And you know what? We also had the banana cake right here, but we decided to hold off on the banana cake.
Ooh, yeah, that would look good. Should we make that one for Wiggles' birthday in June?
Oh, that's right. Or for Waffles. So let's see. We've got 3 dogs: Wiggles, Waggles, and Waffles. Which one do you think will like the cake the most?
Probably Wiggles.
You think so?
Or Waggles if he's in the eating mood.
Yeah.
Now look at our batter.
Oh, wow.
Looks like it's completely mixed up.
Perfect. Waffles, are you excited for the cake? Are you excited for the cake? I think you are. All right, so what are we doing next?
Now we're gonna divide the batter up equally between these 2 ramekins.
Okay.
Okay, put the first thing in. Pretty good. Next one. Probably could just scoop this in.
Yeah, I think you spilled a little too.
Oh.
So you put them all in, and we're gonna bake too. So what do you have to preset the oven for, assistant?
350.
350 degrees, that's right. So it's gonna go in the oven for 350 degrees, but in the meantime, we're gonna have to make our frosting too, right?
Right.
Good job. All right, so we see if Waggle or Waffles likes what it tastes like. So let's put
The batter?
So here's Waffles, here's the batter.
Shouldn't Waggles be tasting it?
Yeah, Waffles is the official tester though. Here you go. You wanna try it? You wanna try Waffles? All right, so Waffles doesn't want to try it. But that's okay, we'll get Waggles to try it. Waggles will eat anything.
Waggles will definitely eat anything. I'm just smoothing out the batter in the ramekins. That way it goes in evenly and bakes evenly.
Alright, I couldn't catch Waggles. So here's Wiggles.
The official tester.
Wiggles, you want it? What do you think?
Is it good, Wiggles?
You want to try a little bit more? What do you think? I think he likes it. Good job, Wiggles. Way to eat it. Waggles could try it too if he would come over here.
just gonna clean up the edges and then put it in the oven.
Good job. I think Waggles likes it. What do you think, assistant?
I think he does too. Now let's check on Wiggles.
Wait a minute. What's Wiggles doing? Wiggles,
Licking the bowl.
you're licking the bowl. Look, that's the bowl that we used.
I think that should be the birthday boy's job, not the birthday boy's older brother.
It's kind of disgusting, but if you guys come over to our house, don't worry. We'll definitely make sure this bowl is nice and washed. As far as you know.
Now we're gonna put both of these in the oven for 20 minutes. One.
And two. And now we've got to make what?
The icing.
The icing for the dog cake, right?
Right.
Hey, guys, I think you got it all out of there. I think you got it all out. What do you think? No, there's none on the camera. Wiggles, Wiggles, is there any left in there? Wiggles. No, see, it's empty, boys. Boys, it's empty. Look, be like Waffles. Waffles is even trying to eat it now. Waffles, do you like it? Yeah, okay.
Now we're gonna add the icing mix into a new clean bowl
Okay.
and add 2 tablespoons of water.
2 tablespoons of water.
But if this isn't enough water, just add a few more drops until you get the right consistency.
Oh, okay, good idea.
Yeah, I think we're gonna need to add a little bit more. That looks good, nice and smooth.
So we're gonna have to wait for the cakes to come out of the oven, cool off, and then we're going to decorate them, right?
Sprinkle!
And you've got your dog fetty sprinkles to go on them, right?
Right. All right, Waggles, while we're waiting for the cakes to bake, we're gonna give you your present.
That's right, Waggles. It's your birthday, and it's been a hard year because you've got a new baby sister, right?
Right,
So
and
it's-
inside the present is animal cracker toys.
You like them, Waggles?
Oh, it looks like he likes them.
Let's put them down and see if he likes them. Ready?
Get him!
You want to play with them? You want to play them? Oh, look, your little sister's coming. Oh, Wiggles is there too. We'll take Waffles, right? What do you think? Waggles, did you have a good birthday?
Yeah! Now back to the cake.
We still gotta make your cakes because you know who also wants a piece of the cake?
Waffles.
Waffles
And
does.
Wiggles.
And Wiggles.
We've taken the cakes out of the oven, we've let them cool completely, and now it's time to ice and put the sprinkles on.
So these are super hot. Woo.
No, they're super cold.
Yeah, you're right. They're not hot. All right, so are we ready to
Ice the cake. Ready?
ice doggy? Yes.
You ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Satisfying.
Oh, okay. Good. All right, now you're going to, you gotta finish icing it. So there it is.
Spread it out. It's like that. That way it falls evenly over the side.
And don't forget, we got these confetti sprinkles that we can put on.
The
We got,
sprinkles are last.
look at that, blue and red sprinkles. Are you excited for your sprinkles? Oh, Waggles has been here every step of the way, ready for his cake. All right.
Okay, it's gonna make it all evened out. Perfect.
So this is our confetti cake, right?
Right.
And then right here is our peanut butter cake, ready to go. It's all been iced. If you want to see how we made that, we have our short on YouTube on how we made the peanut butter cake. All right, so let's finish icing this up
And then add the sprinkles.
and add the sprinkles.
Time to add the sprinkles.
That's right, sisters. We got to add the sprinkles to the cake. So there they are. We're going to spread them out and look who's looking. Waggles, are you ready for your sprinkly cake? He's ready. So we're going to add some sprinkles to it.
A lot of sprinkles to it.
Yeah, we got to throw some on the side too, right? Just kind of.
Ooh, I want to do that.
You just got to make sure you hit the cake though. Like, see, you're making a little bit of a mess, people at home, isn't she? That's okay.
Ready?
That's way too many in one spot. All right.
Are you ready?
Sure, just a few at a time. There you go.
Oh, that was good.
Of course it does. It's my idea.
notice, don't you like roll it?
Sure.
Whoa.
All right, so we got a couple here, and then what are we gonna do?
We're gonna give it to Waggles.
We're gonna do the taste test, right?
Right.
All right, let's see which cake Waggles likes better, the sprinkle cake or our peanut butter cake. So we'll bring this over here.
Hold on.
So we've got our two.
This one looks like pancakes.
It does, and then
This one looks like sprinkles.
sprinkles. People home, what do you think they're gonna like better?
I don't know.
Waggles? Look, he's trying to find some of the sprinkles on the floor. All right, let's
There's a lot.
check it out.
All right, we've cut both of the cakes and we put each.
We have a piece of the peanut butter cake and the confetti cake on the plate. And let's see which one Waggles likes first.
Oh, so Waggles, since he's the birthday boy.
All right, birthday boy, let's see which one do you like. And then we got one for Wiggles too.
Wiggles.
So we're gonna hold Wiggles back.
This is
So,
where it gets chaotic.
there's Wiggles' plate,
Oh, that's Wiggles.
and then that's Waggles' plate. We're not gonna give any to Waffles because I'm afraid it might make her sick.
She's too young. Okay,
All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday! Looks like
you up.
he went to the peanut butter cake,
Oh, he likes the peanut butter cake so far.
so he has not eaten the confetti cake.
Let's see if he goes over to. Oh.
Now let's release Wiggles and see which one he likes. All right, Wiggles, do you like the confetti cake? Oh, he's actually.
Waggles is taking over the cake.
Which one do you like, Wiggles? Wiggles is he's smelling them both. Wiggles, you got to make a choice, buddy. I think he likes the peanut butter cake better.
But he's only had the icing. Oh, he went to the. Waggles has the whole slice in his mouth right now.
Wow, turn him to us so you see him. Waggles, did you steal it? Waggles, you have the whole piece of cake. Waggles, what are you doing? That's a whole piece of cake. You're drooling icing, buddy.
Waggles escaped.
Oh, Waggles escaped. He took his cake and ran. All right, we need somebody to grab Waggles for us. Wiggles is eating the cake. He took.
I think they both like the peanut butter one better.
So I think the peanut butter cake is the choice. Waggles is running around with it in his mouth. Literally. I mean, so Wiggles, do you want to try the confetti cake? Here's confetti cake.
Look, there's still icing on the floor.
He's licking the floor. Waggles is gone. We can't even find him. Mrs. Engineer is trying to find him.
Chasing around deep.
Wait a minute, we're gonna find him. Wait, we see him. We see him. You see him? You eating your cake?
There's still another piece, Waggles.
So, birthday boy, you got your cake right here.
Oh, Wiggles got the
Wait, where are you going, Wiggles? Wiggles. He's got the whole cake in his mouth. Look at it.
Oh no, we got a little one coming.
Waffles is trying to get it. Oh, that might not be good. Waffles, here. I'll throw some your way. Waffles, do you want to eat some? You want to eat some?
Waggles is eating around the other piece of cake.
Waggles, do you like that cake? Let's see. So Wiggles is eating both. He ate the confetti cake second.
Same with Waggles, but Waggles might not eat the confetti cake.
Yeah, he's not. Waffles doesn't really seem to care. Do you like it, Waffles? She can only eat a little bit, like little scraps, because she's a puppy, right?
Oh!
Oh, wait a minute.
We got some action on
We
the
got some
confetti
action.
cake.
I can't.
Waggles, you're
Wag-
blocking the view.
Here's the cake. You're gonna eat it? Are you having a good birthday, Waggles? Uh-oh,
Wiggles.
Wiggles, you can't
It's
have
gonna be a
you can't
showdown.
take your cake and eat it both.
Look at his mouth. That's icing on it.
So Wiggles' mouth is full of icing. Let's see, just show the people home, buddy. You see the icing on his face?
Oh, he's going for. He's biting.
Although I will say, this is the slowest I've seen Waggles eat in a long time.
I don't think he realizes this is as good as the other cake.
What do you think, Waggles? Do you like it? Let's turn you a little ways. Wait a minute, I think he had
That's the whole piece. Maybe he realizes he doesn't have to run away to eat it.
Waggles, do you like your cake?
Maybe it's the sprinkles that's just slowing them down.
It didn't slow down Wiggles. Wiggles' cake is gone.
devoured.
Wiggles' cake.
I think he liked the peanut butter one better though.
Wiggles, what do you think? Waffles has left the building. She's like, I'm done. I'm done.
Bye, Waffles.
Waffles is done. She had her cake. She's done. Wiggles has got frosting on his face. You see it right there? That
I
right
don't
there.
think Wiggles realizes this still has a few little licks.
Wiggles, you want the rest of your crumbs? Wiggles, there's some crumbs there, buddy. You want your crumbs? You want crumbs?
All you want is the crumb. So much is stepping on him.
So assistant, I think we had a successful birthday party for Wiggles, or for Waggles, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
He
And
turned-
he got a present. He turned 5. He had 2 whole cakes. Well, he didn't have 2 whole cakes. He had 2 pieces of the cake.
And we decided that both dogs seem to like the peanut butter cake better, but they love both of them, right?
They loved both of them.
So he's still eating it. So we had a fun birthday party for Waggles turning 5. What should the people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel. And also make sure to follow us on Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, and Atkins TV.
That's right.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Hey, buddy, are you still eating?
There's nothing on the plate.
Buddy, I think you cleaned the plate clean. All right. We'll make another one next year.
Bye, everyone.